Hello, and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to drop a pin on your iPhone and share your location. This is a really handy feature for a variety of situations, whether you need to mark a specific spot on the map, save it for future reference, or share your exact location with someone else. When we talk about dropping a pin on an iPhone, it can mean a few different things. You might want to mark a location, which means pinpointing an exact spot on the map. You might also want to save a location so you can easily find it later. Another common use is sharing a specific spot on the map with others via messaging apps or email. For instance, if you're at a certain spot and you want your friends to join you, you can share the exact point where you are. This ensures that you're sharing your location accurately and not something nearby by accident. So let's get into the steps you need to follow to drop a pin and share your location. First, open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. This is where you'll start the process. Find the location you want to mark by zooming in on the map. Once you have the desired spot in view, hold down on it until a pin appears. This is how you drop a pin on the map. After the pin appears, you have several options. You can edit the pin's location if it isn't quite right. You can also get directions to or from the pin, which can be really useful. Additionally, you can choose from options such as delete, remove, save to, or share the pin. If you want to save the location for future reference, just tap save. Now to share the pin, tap the share option. You'll see a variety of methods to choose from, including AirDrop, Message, Mail, Snapchat, Facebook, and more. Select the method that works best for you. Then choose the recipient you want to send the pin to and send it. The recipient will receive the location and can open it to see exactly where you are. This method is reliable and simple, making it easy to pinpoint a specific place on a map and share it with others. Whether you're meeting friends, coordinating a meetup spot, or just sharing a cool location you found, dropping a pin on your iPhone and sharing it is a great way to do it. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to drop a pin and share your location on an iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.